Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of an Ofra package. I did purchase their mystery bag. It was $25, and then also their highlighters were half price, and I have never tried an Ofra highlighter. You know, I've heard they're amazing, great quality, but for some reason I just never been tempted to try it. So since it was such a great price, and I saw one of my friends, actually I had ordered this before I saw her video, but Leann Serao, I have mentioned you guys her channel before. She did an unboxing of a mystery bag, and the day after I ordered mine, I saw her video, and her unboxing looked great. She had a lot of nice stuff in her box. So I'm curious to see if we received the same things or if they had different products. I will list her channel below. If you guys have not subscribed to her yet, you should check her out. She is an amazing woman. She has great content. She is sweet. She's kind. She does unboxings, hauls, not just makeup, but also clothing and things for the home. She's just a sweetheart. She really is. She's a pleasure to look at her videos, and she's very funny. She's like kind of goofy like me at times, that, you know, if something happens on her channel, she doesn't edit it out. She just goes with it because that's life and that's the way things happen. So I will list her below in the information box, so you guys need to check her out, okay? And tell her that I sent you. So this is the box, and I didn't look to see what was in it, but I did open it to see if anything looked broken, because this is the way it was delivered to me, with this huge hole. I don't know what happened. Somebody had a fight with it. So we're gonna open it now. So the first thing that I see, which I don't even know how this didn't crush because it was on the very top of my box, is a Z palette, and it does have 6 single eyeshadows in it, and they're very neutral and usable colors. These colors I really don't mind. I'd rather get something like this than like a bright purple or green or bright blue that I may not get to use at all. Ofra shadows are supposed to be very good quality, and you know, so I'm happy to get these, and I'm sure that if you go to buy them, they're probably not very inexpensive, because Ofra is, you know, it's kind of pricey. So I'm swatching the colors that I received so that you can see what they look like. And oops, these are the colors in the box. This one's really pretty. It's like a bronze. Very pretty. So after I finish this, I'm gonna go back and watch Leann's video again. I know she got a Z palette with some shadows in it, but I can't remember what shades she received, so I'm gonna go look. Then the rest of it came packed like this. You would think they would put that in bubble wrap also. So this is the highlighter that I purchased, and the color is Winter Heat Wave. And it looks beautiful. It has, like, you can either swirl your brush and just make, you know, one color, or the thing that I liked it is that it has like different shades that I can actually decide which one I want to use. So let me swatch some of them for you. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Very buttery. No glitter. It's very shimmery, but there's one here that looks like it may have a little bit of micro glitter. Let's see this one here that I'm swatching now. Yeah, this one here. This one here looks like it has a little bit of micro glitter inside. The other ones do not. This one feels like a little chunkier when I went in with, you know, when I swatched it with a finger. But these are super buttery. So I don't like glitter to fall all over the place. Like if I put glitter like on my eye and it stays in the spot that I want it, that's fine. But I don't like to wear anything with glitter that I end up with Somebody called it glitter dandruff the other day, but you guys know what I mean. Not only is it on your hair, it doesn't matter if you wash your hair 3 or 5 times, but it's all over your face and you can't get rid of it. So I don't know. I don't know if I'll touch that one, but the other 3 are beautiful. So I'm very happy with the highlighter. So this is the mystery box, and this is part of this. So these 2 things were $25. So let's see what's in here. So the first thing is an Ofra beauty blend, well, not a beauty blender, but a beauty sponge. And I can always use these. Let me see the texture, how it feels. It feels about the same as maybe the Real Techniques. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know how it works out once I use it. Then, wow, there is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. Look at the color. Not sure about that one. It will probably look really nice in the summer if you have a really nice tan. That is very, very bright. I have tried the Ofra liquid lipsticks. I haven't purchased any, but it's actually a beautiful color. But I have received some free samples, and they're very nice. That actually is a very pretty color. But I don't know if that will be way too bright for me. I may be brave and wear it for you guys. I just did a video playing with makeup, and this is the look I came up with. So maybe another day that I play with makeup. Okay, then this is Face and Eye Gel Primer. So I have so many primers right now. I have never used an Ofra primer. But I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or pass it along. Because guys, I can't buy any more primers. I need to go on a no-buy for at least 3 months. And I think that was going to be my New Year's resolution. Oh, and I got another eyeshadow. This one is really pretty. This one is You Do You. Oh, okay. That's what I say to people. If you don't like, the way someone's makeup look, that's okay. You do you and let that person do, what they want to do. This is very pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous. Let's see what the name of the other colors were. I didn't even think about, because it's a magnetic pan. So let's see what the bronzy one doesn't have a color. All right. So they don't have colors on the back. But that definitely is a pretty one. I just put it in the palette. So that was nice. And there's also a eyeliner. And it's in the color turquoise. Oh, that is pretty. It feels a little dry, but it could be because, you kind of have to work it in. But look at the color. That is really, really pretty. That would be nice for a pop of color. Absolutely. Let me see. I have a mirror here. Let's see if we can do something here. I don't want to poke myself in the eye because the tip is kind of sharp. It's really not moving very freely. Didn't do much. I don't know, guys. It really didn't do much, so never used one of their eyeliners. Oh, here's another shadow. So mainly it was shadows. So I don't know how much their single shadows go for. This one is in the shade, oh, this one doesn't have a name. It doesn't have a name on here. It doesn't have a name on the, wait, what about on here? Victory eyeshadow. And it's also very pretty. Definitely colors that I use. It's this one in the middle between the champagne one and the eyeliner. So I am going to go look really quick. That was the last thing in the box, in the bag, to see how much the eyeshadows are, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so their eyeshadows are, the single ones are $12 each. The Z palette is $15. The eyeshadow, the lipstick, the liquid lip they're $20. The 1 ounce of the silicone primer is, the container looks different, but it's $19. And let me see the beauty blender. Blender. It's $15. So it's definitely worth the $25 because, okay, I received a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8 shadows at $7 a piece. Did I say 7 or 12? Boy, my memory is just amazing. Like non-existent amazing. Okay. $12. So 12 times 8. Okay. And then the palette is 15. This was, what did I say, 12. This was 15. And the lipstick was $20. Okay, I'm not sure that it's a shade that I would wear. Stain my hand. But I know that it's good quality lipstick, and that's what happens when you get things like this. Sometimes you get colors that maybe they didn't sell, so they stick them in one of these boxes. But I mean, the shadows are definitely colors that I would wear. They're neutral, and sometimes when you have a very colorful palette, you always want something like this to pull in to help you finish, you know, create a look. So I'm not sorry that I did it. I thought it was a good buy. Definitely worth the $25. So I really do like this color. I really think that, and this something I wouldn't wear right now because I'm starting to get pale. But in the summer with a nice tan, I think this will look pretty. If I didn't have any lipstick on, I would try it on, but I don't feel like taking this off. So anyway, this was my unboxing of the Ofra Mystery bag. I really think it was worth it. I like the little bag. The little bag is like on the bottom, it looks like glitter, but it's like a plastic. The glitter, you can't feel it. It's smooth. And then up here is that material that's like waterproof, that, you know, repels the water, and it just says Ofra Cosmetic Laboratories. So I think this is definitely a usable bag. It's a nice size. It's, you know, it's a nice size. It's not wide, but I mean, definitely something that you can carry like in your purse or something. And even if you don't have a lot of makeup, you can even fold it over. So I'm very happy with my purchase. I do love my highlighter. I can't wait to use it. Definitely feels very, very buttery. And by the way, I wanted to let you guys know that I received an email from Allure, and this coming month's box, the December box, is going to be Nikki Tutorials is going to be the one that's going to curate the box, and one of the things in it is one of the highlighters that she created with Ofra. So if you guys are interested, there are $15 a month box. The first month is always less money, like $10. So if you guys are interested to try it out, December will be the best time to try it because it looks like there's some really amazing products on there. So I will link the Allure box link on my page in case you guys are interested. And I don't know if I have a link that I would get points or something. I'll look and I'll give you the regular link if you don't want to use mine, and I'll give you mine if you don't mind using mine so that I can get points or, you know, a reduction on my box or whatever. It doesn't make a big deal. I just want you guys to be aware that's going to be a really good box. So I'll make sure to mention that on the bottom. Okay, so I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.